Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Phanteks Glacier R220C DDC combo wide generation 4 vertical GPU bracket and wide generation 4 riser cable. So friend, Phanteks launched a range of PC USH products to help PC builder create incredible systems. So friend, the all-new Glacier R220C DDC combo, the wide vertical GPU bracket and wide flat line PCIe Generation 4 riser cables are designed for both gamers and PC enthusiasts who want to improve the performance of their system and stand out of the crowd. And friend, the Glacier R220D DDC combo is equipped with pre-installed high-performance DDC 4.2 pump with power management control via PWM through motherboard BIOS or a fan controller, and the compact design is quiet and powerful and comes with SATA power connector for easy installation to run any complex liquid cool system. And friend, the vertical GPU bracket and riser cable is now introduced a white color option matching our white cheeses for better harmony and overall style, and the reinforced steel now provides reliable support eliminating any sagging. Also includes PCIe Generation 4 riser cable for new generation graphics card, and our flatline PCIe Generation 4 riser cables are available in white, giving you the power to unlock the full potential for any high-end Generation 4 graphics card. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Glacier R220C DDC combo is priced at $199.99. The Generation 4 vertical GPU bracket white is priced at $69.99. Flatline 220mm PCIe Generation 4 riser cable 90 white is priced at $59.99, and flatline 300mm PCIe Generation 4 riser cable 180 white is priced at $59.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.